ghost, Sammy. Oh.
It's Mama and Dadigo, all dressed up.
I love your costumes.
And you both look wonderful too.
I think you'll do very well in the fancy dress competition.
Arr. Boo!
That's a great boo you've got there.
Huh?
Sammy's not having much luck scaring people.
Aw. Come on. We don't want to be late for the Halloween fancy dress competition. Let's go. Boo?
Poor Sammy. I'm sure he'll have more luck at the fancy dress competition. Maya and Sammy have arrived at the party.
Hello, Miss Teach.
Hello. Oh, what super costumes you all have.
I am the most terrifying pirate to ever sail the seas.
You're a fantastic pirate, Maya, but I'm afraid I don't scare very easily. I just never get frightened.
Not even on Halloween?
Not one bit. Now, Maya, in a minute, I'll be judging the scariest costume competition. So good luck.
Oh, there's Tommy Stop, Ruby Meg, Lucy Help, Sophie Play and Emily Share.
Roar.